Oh, you know, just a little behind the scenes. I'm trying to give y'all some behind the scenes stuff here because everyone wants to see the setup. So here you go. Here's my hot mess express after, I guess it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Anyways. Okay, I can't even get the angle right. I need to go to bed. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have another Farmasi unboxing. I know how much y'all love these. Okay, you guys, so I have something exciting for this unboxing, okay? I think I was like one of the first people to get their orders because I had to do expedited shipping because I'm just extra and it launched and you know, I just had to have it, okay? Don't judge, don't judge. Okay, anyways, that's gonna be saved for the end, okay? But let me show you a couple things here. So first and foremost, look at all of these mascaras. These are the double lash extend mascaras and I got these just for building my team. Like these were like incentives, like they just threw a bunch in my box. So just saying, like the incentives, they're crazy. They're crazy. They're so good. Team building. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so I did also order this because one of my girls was saying that it's really good for like helping kind of like kick her like little breakouts or anything like that. So I wanted to try it for those like hormonal type breakouts, okay? So this is the clay mask and this is from the Tea Tree line, and tea tree is really, really great for like oily skin. So I tend to use the tea tree line a little bit more in the summertime when I'm more oily, but otherwise throughout the year, I'm kind of a little bit more like combo, but in the winter more so dry. So I don't really use the tea tree line unless I have breakouts. So I got this, and then I also use the tea tree, like the oil serum, and I will dab that on there, but I wanted to try the mask too. So got the clay mask. I'll let you know. But I also ordered another set of this stuff here, okay? So let me just tell you, I have switched up my skincare routine and oh my God, my skin, like, this stuff in itself, I'm obsessed with it. Okay, this is from the Age Reversis line here. Hopefully you can, there we go. The Age Reversis line. So this is a toner, and this is the toner for the Age Reversis line. They just launched this, I wanna say it was January that they launched this of 2021. So this is new to the Age Reversis line, and oh my God, it's like the only toner I use right now. It's so good, it's so good. For one, it smells, I feel like I'm like Coco Chanel when I use this stuff, okay? Like it's high end, okay? It smells so freaking good. It smells high end, it smells expensive. Is that a thing? Like, can it smell expensive? Because it does. And I'm obsessed, and I douse my face in it, and I should probably use it a little bit more conservatively, but it's so cool because I don't have it open right now. All right, I just have to show you guys this because the packaging itself is so pretty. I wasn't gonna open it, but I just have to show you. Okay, look at this. Look at this bottle. First off, it's glass. Okay, it's glass. The cap is like rose gold, and you pull this off, and then it's got the little sprayer here. Like, this is legit, like, can we just say like high end? Okay, this is a toner. It's in a glass bottle with a rose gold cap. Like, I'm not even trying to sell you on this. I'm just telling you how obsessed I am with it. And I feel like my pores have been like non-existent since using this stuff. And I swear it's to this because that was like the first thing I like added in when I started noticing the difference was this. And that's kind of what tonics do, is they help kind of like rebalance the pH of your skin. They help like close up your pores so that like nothing gets in there. So like if you're not using a toner in general, you should be. But if you're looking for a new one and you're trying to like prevent the aging process, ladies, gents, whoever, oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. I could talk all night about that. And then, sorry. And then Farmasi actually came out with a couple new lines. They came out with an acne line and an aqua line. I need to do a little bit more research. I don't know all of the logistics on what all is in everything as far as like ingredients, but so I had to order another round of this stuff because I used it a little bit too quickly in the beginning. But this has been my like daytime morning routine is I'm using the whole like aqua line. Okay, this is the box right here. So you guys can see that. And then this is what it looks like. It's this little like droplet thing. So you can like squeeze the little dropper there. There we go. And it's just a little droplet. And I just put a few dots on my face and that's like the serum. So I will use like the aqua face wash like during the daytime morning. I will use the aqua face wash, and then I will also use, I use my Age Reversus toner. That's just what I use day and night. And then I will use the serum. And then this line also has a hydrating eye cream, which is awesome. So I use the eye cream and then I use the face cream with the Aqualine as well. And I like it because it's hydrating, but it doesn't feel heavy on your skin. Like once it soaks into your skin, like honestly, my face just feels like the skin feels tighter once it soaks in. So I don't know. It's gold. The skincare is gold. It's gold in little jars and bottles. Let me just tell you. Okay. The moment you've been waiting for, what I told you launched. Okay, it launched 2 different days, and each day it sold out in under an hour. The first day it sold out in 50 minutes, and the second day it sold out in 57 minutes. Yep. Let me just show you. New lippies! New lippies, you guys. Oh my God. And what's exciting about these, you guys, they are VFX, the VFX formula. Okay? The VFX formula. VFX in itself, the foundation, what's exciting about that is that it has photo filter technology, okay? So I don't know if you can see where that says that. Photo filter technology. So with the photo filter technology, the cool thing with the foundation having the photo filter technology, have you ever taken pictures like in the evening or at night, you know, just like, or in like a darker lit restaurant, you know, and the flash is on the camera and then your face looks white because of the flash? Yeah, the photo filter technology helps prevent your face from looking like white. So like super just like, you know, like glowing white. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about if you've taken pictures at night. But that's what's really cool about the photo filter technology. So the cool thing with the lipsticks, they are a matte finish. I actually am wearing one, but I do have a purple lip liner on with it. And then the middle color, the pink color, that is what the actual like lipstick is. And these are the bottles, or the tubes, sorry. And I'll swatch them for you guys. But so basically with the photo filter technology in the lippies, they are going to present more true to color in pictures. So I don't know if that's a big deal to anybody else, but I do a lot of like selfies and everything else, like showcasing the makeup. So I think that's really cool because a lot of times, like if you have a flash or something on your camera, the lipsticks and the color itself will look a little bit different in the picture. So to be able to capture those like true colors and really have them look really pretty and like vibrant in pictures, that's huge, right? So I don't know, it's huge to me. I don't know about you guys, but it's huge to me. Okay, so let me just dive right in and I'm going to swatch these for you. I have some swatches on my hand, so forgive me. I'm gonna do them right here, okay? So I will work in order so you know. I was telling people on Facebook that I did order 1 extra set of these. So I do have 1 extra of every color, but I was only able to order 2 because they were like limiting us to 2 sets each. I was like, but anyways, okay, so this is number 1 and this one's called Retro Rose, okay? These dry matte and they have the stay power of the matte liquid lipsticks. Okay, so this right here. This is gonna be like awful swatching because I'm not looking at what I'm doing. Okay, so there is, maybe, come on, there we go. There is Retro Rose, okay? That is a really pretty color. That's like one of my probably like go-to colors is like that type of like a kind of mauvey rose color. Okay, so that was number 1. Number 2 is called Cool Beige. Look at how pretty this is, you guys. Can we just? Can you tell I'm excited? I'm a little bit obsessed with lipsticks, So yeah. There is number 2, Cool Beige. Okay. That one is gonna be a really, really pretty like nudish color for spring. And it's more on like a pinkish nude side. Okay, here's number 3. And this one is My Lips But Better. I love that. Oh my God. And it's so true. It's like a lip color, but a little bit better. Okay, and there's that one. That one's like a really pretty like corally color. It kind of has like some like coral undertones to it. Sorry, I'm trying to make these a little bit prettier here. Okay. I'm a big fan of like corally colors, especially like spring and summer. Like Goddess was usually my go-to in the matte liquid lipsticks, but that might be a new fave. Okay, number 4 is called Barely There. That's this one right here. The packaging itself is like so stinking pretty. Ooh, I like that one. I like that one. Okay, that one is Barely There. That's the name of it, not that it's not there. Okay, number 5, Soft Violet. Soft Violet. Okay. This is Soft Violet. I don't know why it's called Soft Violet. It's a very pretty pink. Okay, hold on. It's this one right here. How stinking pretty are these? Okay, and then number 6 is Vibrant Pink, and that's actually what I have in the middle of this lippy color. I have a purple lip liner on, but I have this this one right here, which is Vibrant Pink, okay? I'll swatch it for you so you can see what it looks like on its own. It's such a pretty and fun like spring summer color. Anybody else like fun colors? Whenever summer comes around, do you venture out a little bit more with your lipsticks? So this one, you guys, even brighter. This one's called Royal Purple. It's bright, y'all. It is bright. Oh my Lord. Y'all, look at this one. Like, I wish you could see like just how bright this is. It's like shockingly bright. Oh my God. I'll see if it dries down a little bit so you can see. It is so bright, but it's so pretty. I would rock it. Okay, and the last one is number 8, and this is Dark Burgundy. Ah, look at this color. You know they had to throw a new dark color in there. Summer or no summer coming. This one is so like vampy, and I love it. I love it. You gotta have a good vampy color, okay? Look at that. Look at it. Y'all, these colors though. But you guys, I am like so stoked for these. Like I said, I was able to order 1 extra of each of them. So if you're wanting any, it's first come, first serve. So hit a girl up. You can find me, like, if you want to shoot me a message, anything like that, you can find me on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, shoot me a message on any of those. But otherwise, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free, drop them in the comments. My link to my Farmasi site will be down in the comments as well. If you are looking for a tribe to join, my ladies are so fun. We have a riot. We are trying to get a team retreat planned, like all the fun stuff. So let us know because we have some fun, y'all, especially on Wednesday nights. Those are our ladies' nights. We have weekly Zoom calls and we have fun. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. And I will see you all next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, y'all. Bye.